chairman, the mayor, and the guns. I wonder if we build it, will they come? But that's really a tricky thing to do. The river from is sprawling, the money ball keep calling, the sort of going out, God's coming in. The roosters are pointing the waves, now the hold up braves. Could they be the team that sticks around Wilmington? No talking baseball. South of when I'm grading, no talking baseball. This interest from the lady, Bacardi, the Sharks, and CPL. I gotta have a place with beer to sell, but that's really a tricky thing to do. All my friends remember how Brooksfield couldn't serve up any suds. Thursdays weren't Thursday enough for all the fans. Somewhere they didn't get paid the Wilmington way. The Pelicans are Rangers, the Indians love Ranger, but county still isn't the one. Carolina has a league, the Blue Rocks have a team. The stadium was built in the other Wilmington. I'm talking baseball. The county and the city are talking baseball. The fans think it's a pity, my politics division, nothing new. Should bring them all together for a brew, but that's really a tricky thing to do. But that's really a tricky thing to do. But that's really a tricky thing to do.